Hello, everyone. Welcome to Smart English Plus. Today, we are going to talk about learning English. Many people want to speak English, but they often think English is difficult, or I am afraid of making mistakes. But don't worry. Every fluent speaker was once a beginner. English can help you get better opportunities, meet new people, travel more easily, and learn new things. On this channel, we share simple English lessons and storytelling videos. Stories help you learn real-life conversations, new vocabulary, and everyday English in a natural way. Now, we have a challenge for you. Watch our videos, practice every day, and never give up. We promise to support you on your English journey. We promise to help you move closer to your dreams. Whether your dream is getting a better job, speaking English confidently, traveling the world, or communicating with people from different countries, we will learn together. Step by step, lesson by lesson, story by story. If you stay with this channel and keep practicing, we believe you can achieve your goal and turn your dream into reality. You can speak English confidently. Your English will improve day by day. Remember, mistakes are not failures. They are part of learning. Every mistake is a step forward. So start today. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself. Thank you for watching Smart English Plus. Please like, share, and subscribe. Please write "I accept the challenge" in the comments. See you in the next lesson and the next story. Goodbye.